Okay, this is the type of question where if they have a point floating around somewhere and they want to know how it influences the least squares regression line, and how would we answer a question of that type. So what you got to remember is when we're drawing the least squares regression line through here, we want to draw a line that's the closest to all of the points. So if I was using all of the points, I need to draw a line that's close to these points and this point. So my line's going to probably look something like this, because it has to be close to this point, but it also has to be close to the rest of them. So what I would do if I was doing one of these questions that asked what happens if I remove the line, is I'd start off by drawing a line with the point in it. So this was my line if I was using the point A. And then what would happen to my line if point A was removed? And where would my new line be? So now point A is gone. Now my new line would go maybe this way. It's perfectly straight, you can tell. There's no curve whatsoever. So what happens to my new line? Did my slope go up or down? Slope goes up, right? So when I removed this point A that was over here, the slope went up. And then what about the correlation, the strength? Does my line have a closer connection to the points? Are the points closer now to the line or further away? The points are much closer to this new line, so that means my correlation went up. My correlation coefficient went up. Right here, my correlation coefficient's really bad, right? Over here, it's up close to 1. So they're the two things really you want to talk about. They may say, another way they might do this is they might put 2 points, and they'll ask you which point has more of an effect, this one or this one. So yes, this one would have more of an effect. You just draw the 2 lines where the points would go if you removed one over the other, and that'll give you the answer to that. So that's how you would do the questions that ask how this point affects or influences the regression line.